So this kind of narrative is becoming alarmingly common again in this tarot community. You know, the one where there's a couple and the wife is painted as the karmic hoe, doing spell work, blocking, blackmailing, manipulating her spouse, and they spin the story like she's some wicked force keeping the man trapped. Well, that's not what's happening in my home. And there's no spell work. I just do some cleansing every once in a while. No blackmail. And we move past the chaos and fighting. And not dealing with a third party. At least not anymore. So if that's your definition of a karmic, then I'm not one. But if you're trying to frame me as this demonic, manipulative wife, maybe you're the karmic Jezebel and we cannot trade places. There are some major red flags with this tarot reader who labels herself as a high priestess or spiritual teacher. On her platform, she boldly states, "We don't accept negativity here. Move along." You know, the irony is that her entire content is drenched in negativity, mass as spiritual insight. If you see, most of her readings revolve around triangulation, comparison, and just pure drama. Constantly pitting people against each other. Despite claiming to reject negativity, what she truly embodies bleeds through her readings. Chaos, division, and insecurity. You will often hear lines like, "This hoe works for you," or other demeaning jabs that subtly, or not so subtly, imply that she or her collective is somehow superior. It's all pick me reading. And the contradiction runs deep. It's like arguing with a narcissist who says, "I don't do drama," and then proceeds to stonewall you when you confront them, when you caught them with some deception. And then will then flip the script on you, accuse you of creating drama at every turn. So her content reeks of projection. One content, she's even accusing someone of being a drama starter. But then she's producing drama-laced content herself. In her content section, it's full of people throwing terms like narcissist. Well, it's just not ironic. It's deceptive.